everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Virgo Gem, and we're jumping right into this mani. We're going to be doing the gel method today, and we're going to be creating a sparkly fall mani. So this is going to be our solid accent nail here, and this is one of the new colors called Sunset by the Bay, and this is a gorgeous mustard yellow. Now to me, this is a true mustard yellow. That first dip, you can see there, it's really full coverage, but I like this mustard yellow, how it doesn't have like that dark orange undertone to it. To me, this is a pure mustard yellow, and it still has a little bit of brightness to it, so I really like this color here. And check it out with that second dip, it just really brings this color to life. To me, this is the perfect fall yellow. So I cured for 30 seconds, we dusted off, and now we're gonna go in with the sparkleness of this mani. We're gonna be using Enchanted Forest here. Now this is a beautiful multicolor glitter here. It has super fine glitters in it. It has small size glitters, and it has a little bit of medium size glitters. It is the perfect ratio here of fine glitters. Now you can see here with that first dip, it is sparkly, but I still have a little bit right there in the middle. I picked up more acrylic, but we're gonna go ahead and fill that in with a second dip. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and gently press down all these glitters here. There's a lot going on here. It's gonna give us a lot of different dimension here with all the mixtures of that fine and the smaller glitters, but these glitters are laying so flat to the nail, and they're super easy to work with. I really enjoy working with the glitters from Virgo Gem. I feel like the quality is definitely there, and I feel like the glitters are super thin, so they're very easy to manipulate and just press down into that nail, especially with the gel method. Now keep in mind when you are working with the gel method that that is not cured until you go ahead and put that in the UV light. So if you are pressing down too hard, you can disturb that layer of that gel base. If that does happen and you move things around too much, you could always wipe off and start over, but just have a gentle hand when you are pressing down those glitters. So all right, let's dive right into this mani process and enjoy all the sparkly goodness, and then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments. right, so now we're going to get into filing and buffing. Now, filing and buffing was super easy. I'm going to do the usual here. I'm just going to clean up the sidewalls here on each side just to straighten those out and clean them up a little bit. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of reshaping, and that's all I needed to do. I did not need a buff on top of those glitters because everything was already laying very flat to the nail. I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera. Now we're going to go ahead and seal everything in with a layer of gel base. I'm doing the yellow first just to make sure I'm keeping that yellow as pure as possible and not contaminating it with any extra sparkle. I did the rest of the base coat off camera and cured for 30 seconds, and now we're finishing up with a layer of gel top coat, and I'm going to cure the rest of the nails here for 60 seconds. But here's the finished mani. I love it so much. All this sparkly goodness is everything, and I really like how we did an accent nail today instead of glitter. We did an accent nail of a solid, and that mustard yellow is amazing, and I cannot get over the sparkliness of this mani and just how the light hits it. It's turning all different colors. There's just a great variety of colors in this glitter, and it's just screaming fall to me. I really like the dimension of it and how there's that just fine mixture of glitters mixed in with small and medium. It is the perfect ratio for me. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in that description box below. I hope you liked this sparkly mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.